you struggle with dull, uneven skin tone and early signs of aging? Here is your solution. Enstylz Brightening Face Serum. This water-based serum gets easily absorbed into your skin, delivering powerful ingredients right where they are needed. With magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, a derivative of vitamin C, it penetrates deep inside your skin to treat hyperpigmentation and evens out skin tone. Regular use brightens and lightens your skin, giving you a radiant glow. Niacinamide works to tighten your skin and fight premature signs of aging. And don't forget sodium lactate. It's an excellent humectant, preventing water loss and keeping your skin moisturized. With Enstylz Brightening Face Serum, achieve a brighter, more youthful complexion effortlessly. Reveal your skin's true potential with Enstylz Brightening Face Serum. Brighten your beauty.